Hi, I'm Pauline Benton, and I am the Agriculture Education and FFA Advisor here at Creekview High School. In Cherokee County, we offer a diversity of agriculture pathways. Here at Creekview, our focus is equine science. The career pathway is a 3-course or 3-year program. So typically students start in the basic agricultural science class. The second course in the sequence is the animal science course, and that covers all areas of animal science from large livestock to small animal care. And then the third course in the sequence is the equine science. The agriculture education program is a 3-circle model of classroom laboratory instruction, FFA, which represents Future Farmers of America, and the SAE, which is the Supervised Agriculture Experience Program. The FFA component is our leadership component, so students are exposed to all types of what we call career development events.
So we have CDE events that pertain to agriculture education, poultry judging, veterinary science, and everything in between. So through these CDE events, students are able to choose one they'd like to participate in and learn all the knowledge for it, participate, and also gain those career skills.
The supervised agriculture experience is what they do outside of class to further develop the skills that they're learning in the classroom and to add to that skill set things that we may not be able to teach in the classroom, but that combine with the skills that we are teaching them. So every student is required to have a home project. Through FFA and the agriculture program, we partner with the Cherokee County Farm Bureau, and we do a lot of activities with the Farm Bureau. We have a great partnership with Pilgrims as well. They provide us technical information and materials when we're studying poultry and poultry judging. They've also sponsored our kids to go to the career development event. Most of the students in our programs really benefit from hands-on learning. So we give them hands-on opportunities in addition to, the coursework in the classrooms.
Technology has a bigger and bigger part in agriculture every single day. This class can encompass the people who want to go into computer science, who want to work on robots, because we have all that now.
Here at Creekview High School, CTAE is designed to help students prepare for careers after high school, or to prepare to go to technical colleges, or to continue with a 4-year college education at one of our state universities or state colleges.
They get certifications like the egg handling certification that allows them to sell their own eggs at their home so they can actually establish their own business. So we're hoping that not only are we preparing them for careers, but we're also preparing them to be entrepreneurs.
I think that within the agricultural pathway that there is room for everyone, whether you want to be a veterinarian or a welder or a computer scientist.
If you're interested in the Agricultural Sciences program at Creekview High School or any of the career technical and agricultural programs, we invite you to explore those at your local high school.